Pet stain removal. Owners of even the best trained pets will occasionally encounter pet accidents. Often the urine is not discovered until long after the incident. The types of damage from pet stains can be diverse and are dependent upon makeup of the urine. The urine content will change over the pet's life because of the pet's diet, medication, age, health, sex, and reproductive cycle. Because these variants, some urine stains may not be completely removable. In most scenarios, we improve the appearance of the stain by flushing applicable neutralizing and cleaning out with a specialized flush out claw. This also helps with odor decontamination. Our online reviews speak for themselves. Our loyal clients all remember us. They recommend us to their friends and family because we work hard to get your carpets as clean as they can be. We work hard to prove we are head and shoulders above everyone else in Auckland. We promise that you will notice the difference. Give us a call on 3767 007, our website Auckland Steam and Dry, where you can even book directly online with a pre-programmed instant quotation, or contact us on Facebook. Proudly servicing Auckland Central, North Shore, East, South, West Auckland and the Hibiscus Coast areas since 1987.